I have my window finally. Because I'm gonna make sushi for dinner. Of course. Morning. It is Monday, and it is after my class because I forgot to film this morning. But anyway, so yeah, class went well as normal. We just had a bunch of lectures and then we did some work. And our car battery died because of course it did. But yeah, but you can see finally I have my window in here right now. I have my window finally. I put it in after class, and it's after a fairly long after class. But yeah, now I'm gonna go buy a thing at AutoZone because this window is super dirty. And because my load bag of stuff got stolen, I need to go buy new stuff. So yeah, I'll see you over at AutoZone. It is Thursday, or it's Tuesday actually. And yeah, so today I had auto class as normal, as I always do. So yeah. But yeah, now I'm gonna go home and do food and change like I always do. So I'll see you back. Now I'm back after acting class. And yeah, that was fun. We did not do our scene because I wasn't prepared and my scene partner wasn't prepared. So we struck a deal. So I'm gonna do practice today. I'm gonna practice today, and then we're gonna meet tomorrow. Go through the scene, and then we're gonna do it on Thursday. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. But right now I'm gonna walk back home and do no, I'm gonna go to the gym first. Let's see. Okay, morning. It is Wednesday. And well, today I just had my class, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna go back home. So yeah, I'll see you back at home. So hey, I'm back after a bit, and now I'm gonna go practice a scene with my scene partner. There he comes. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit after. And we are back home. So after I had my practice thing, we went down to Pacific City because they want to do some shopping. We also ate at TK Burgers, which was actually really good. And then we actually went briefly stopped by Jack's to check on some stuff. And I bought something for stuff, which you'll see later. And then yeah, now we're back home. So I will see you tomorrow probably, because I'm just going to do some schoolwork right now. So. Good morning. It's Thursday, and today my morning class was cancelled, so I took some sleep instead. But yeah, today, so after this, so yeah, this morning I just did a little bit of schoolwork. I slept in a little bit, but then I'm going to my theater class. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. So hey, back after acting class, or theater and acting class. So yeah, that was fun. We did our scene. It went well actually. I missed a couple of lines, but ironically enough, my scene is about me forgetting my lines, so no harm, no foul. But yeah, I need to work on that. Yeah, I will see you back at the apartment now for possibly stuff. I might have one scene I forgot to film a little bit. But yeah, I came home after acting class, obviously. We were just here chatting a bit. Lynn and Elena came over. After that I drove Lynn home. I went to Target to buy some stuff. I went to AutoZone to buy some stuff. And yeah, now I'm here. I made dinner. I made some nice chicken teriyaki noodles. which was nice. So yeah, but yeah, now I'm gonna go this afternoon. It is Friday, and well, today we are gonna, or the other ones are picking up their friend at LAX. They left a couple of hours ago, but the immigration has taken a while because it's immigration at LAX. And yeah, but I'm now gonna go buy salmon because I'm gonna make sushi for dinner. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Just realized I forgot something, so I'll be right back. No problem. Of course. Oh yeah, hey. Morning. It is Saturday. Ben and I are up here in Santa Clarita, of all places, for our cars and coffee at this Porsche dealership. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around there a bit. So yeah, you'll see a lot of that. When are we gonna walk out of here and be actually walking? Huh? 918 of them. They're 918. That's for like toy cars. I did a lot of them today.
So that was a fucking lie.
Party. So hey, we're back from and we're done here. So yeah, we're gonna go back to Huntington Beach now. So yeah, we'll see you back at Ocean Breeze.
Let's go!
Drop them off. So hey, I'm back after, and I'm gonna go to the restaurant now. Or yeah, I didn't tell you. So we're having it's Lynn's birthday today, so we're gonna go celebrate it over in a restaurant in Long Beach. So I'll see you over there. So hey, it's after brunch. We just went to Stater Bros to shop things. Apparently you can fit 4 people in this car. Somehow. Yes. So yeah.
I'm eating a pickle.
Yeah, and Elida's eating a pickle. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Oh hey. And yeah, we're back. And we're gonna go to Lynn's birthday party now, which is gonna be at Ocean Breeze.
Hi. We are also there.
Yeah. So I may or may not film there, we'll see. So I'll see you then or tomorrow. So hey, morning or afternoon. It is, today is Sunday. And yeah, we had a fun party yesterday and we're kind of tired today. So we're gonna go down to, go down to Laguna today. We're bringing boards.
Hi.
And we are going to surf. How long? That's a very good question. But yeah, we'll see you probably down in Laguna. Yeah. Speaking of which, come on, let's make it. Yeah, let's do this. There you go. That's a big one. This looks like a small one. You're in the clear, you're in the clear. If you want to, you can go in a bit.
right side, go. Oh, heads up, heads up, heads up. Oh, yeah. Huh? Yeah. Oh, my God. Oh, you're good. Gotta trust it though. What? Are they too big or too small? Are they too big or too small? I'm bringing a little. That would have been a pretty decent one. That would also have been a pretty decent one. Ah, that one too. My stamina is so shit. Texas. Oh shit. Caleb, tell me earlier next time. Lisa, you're a good foot. When you lie down, do you see where the waveform ends? The attack? That's a good one. Good waves, actually. Fuck no. Lisa, heads up. Lisa, heads up, heads up, heads up. Kinda rocky right now. What? I have surfed in a red tide, this is nothing. What's the time? 3 feet. 316. Oh shit. Shit, man. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. These are waves. Hands up. Wow. No, you're good, you're good, you're good. Yeah. Oh, that's a big set. That's a big one. That's a big feat. I would recommend that, Caleb. Maybe. Maybe. Oh yeah, this is way too for you. That was on the edge. Yeah, I know. Ooh. Yeah, Kellen, I think we should call it and just ride the whitewash. Yeah, Lisa, let's head in a little bit and just ride the whitewash. These are a little too gnarly. That might be big. Yeah, that might be big. This one might. Yeah, this one might. There you go. recommend it.
Okay, we're done. We're back from the so yeah, we're done. On the way back we ate Panda Express. We ate Panda Express and then we took off and then we went to the hot tub, which was nice. But yeah, so yeah, and now we're gonna fix everything, so I'll see you in a bit.